Hello students, so we are back with another question, and I'm putting up the question in front of you on the screen. Pause the video, give it a try, and we'll now proceed with the solution. To inform you, this is a question inspired from a similar question which came up in JEE Advanced 2023, but it has been modified, but on the same basis the questions have been made. Pause the video, give it a try, and we'll proceed with the solution. So in the question we have a compound which is 135 tris nitrobenzene paranitro, and the first reaction that has been given to us is the reaction of this compound with SnHCl followed by NaNO2 and HCl around 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. So the first reaction, as we all know, it's a standard reaction where the NO2 groups will be reduced to NH2, and on further reaction with NaNO2HCl we shall get the corresponding diazonium salts. So to draw the compound, we'll have something like this, and therefore this is the structure of P. We shall keep this as a reference because this is further used in the question later as well. So in the second step, we are preparing from the P produced in the first step, and the first reaction it shows is Caesian heat, which is a standard reaction of the diazonium salts, where the N2Cl is being replaced by a Cn group, and followed by hydrolysis, and this shall produce 3 COH groups in place of the N2Cl groups. And in the second step, when we are reacting it with SOCl2, we shall get the corresponding acid chlorides. So the structure would turn out to be something like this. Now the second option actually asks whether this compound can be reduced by NaBH4. Now for NaBH4, the reducing factors are very limited, and it is restricted to the reduction of aldehydes, ketones, and especially acid halides. Therefore, compound Q shall be reduced by NaBH4. Hence, option B is correct. Now, in the third part, the acid halide is being reduced, and the reaction is a well-known named reaction under the name of Rosenmund reduction, where the end product of which would be CHO in place of all the COCl groups. As a result, we shall get a final product of this. So this is the compound S, and the question asks whether this shall give the tolerance test, and it is absolutely correct. Now for the last part, we have been given the same compound P which we produced earlier, and its reaction is being given with PHOH or phenol, which is in excess, and it is placed in a slightly alkaline medium. Now the alkaline medium is taken to convert phenol into phenoxide, and this would rather be a pH of around 10, where the phenoxide ion is ionized. The phenol is ionized to give a phenoxide ion, and therefore it increases the rate of the reaction. And on reaction with the diazonium salt, we shall get coupling at all the positions. Hence the final compound would look something like this. So we have the structure as here, and the question in the last part asks the number of heteroatoms present in this final molecule, namely T, and as we can see, there are a total of 6 nitrogens and 3 oxygen groups in the entire molecule, and hence the answer should be 9. So this is the solution. Do comment down how many of you got this in the first try, and how many of you learned something new from this innovative question, which is inspired from a JEE Advanced 2023 question. And make sure to keep joining in every day to get more such interesting questions. Keep learning.